My new book, Lecture Elopements, A Guide to Elegant and Intimate Weddings, isn't just an ordinary book. It's created to be a living document, and here's why. When I was deciding on the format of the book, I chose Kindle over the print format for a reason. Why? Well, let me share with you a little secret. This is my third published book, and looking back at my previous books, like the best-selling book, The Elopement Experience, I realized something. There are always things I like to change as elopements evolve, but with printed books, in order to make changes, you have to create a whole new edition, and that gets complicated. So here's where the magic happens. With Kindle, I can update the book as I like. Add new case studies, new chapters, or QR codes that link to videos or other related material. I like to think of it as an interactive elopement guide that keeps on giving. Besides, Kindle is sustainable and we save trees. And I'm happy to announce that my new book, Lecture Elopements, A Guide to Elegant and Intimate Weddings, is now live on Amazon. We have a special launch offer that includes a complimentary playbook or workbook that is a sister companion to the main book, Lecture Elopements, and also the book is at a discounted price for 1 week only. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.